Everyone's all fancy.
I'm not even out of breath. I've been training for this for the whole season already. You gotta train, you gotta be ready for this. To do the long run.
What's up?
Hey,
Hi. Oh no. Hey, Disneyland.
LMG.
Yeah. They're gonna outdo me every time.
All the way forward, please, folks. If there's air to breathe, there's still plenty of room to move.
Sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale
It's just two, so it's
about
pretty two.
dear Sandy Claus.
all the way forward! All the way forward!
Right behind you,
please.
folks. Watch your ankles.
All the way in.
So pretty two. Slide forward. Slide forward. Thank you.
Bats and bullies, it's been over a year, but at last Jack is finally here. And to see how he has wrecked our halls, kindly drag your bodies away from the walls.
Scattered around. This year he's decided to play Sandy Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace in your black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. We hope you're prepared for what Jack is in store. Don't pull down the bar. It will float down with ease. And keep a close watch on all children, please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats. Keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet.
Si cuidas a tus niños, todo marchará felizmente. Los fantasmitos y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito mantener brazos, manos, piernas y pies adentro.
More rapid than vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, arranged. And what to the wondering eyes, this is news. This chance little friends. The ghost dog was killed. Nothing here was forgotten. It's a fine Christmas present. A man who plans makes a wonderful wreath, as long as you don't get caught in its teeth. Jack's holiday visit was unlike no other. So ring out the bells. There's more cheer to uncover.
May succeed. On the first day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me a star, a brilliant star for my fortune-carved tree. On the 13th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 13 rings of power, embracing strength that never ends. 12 signs of the zodiac that rule the future.
With some treats and some games, you can make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread house could seem scary. All at once, happy hearts deep into your eyes, like a nightmarish painting by Currier and Ives. Please remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour momentarily. On his back. They were strange and bizarre and on the attack. better gift on my friends to bestow than a graveyard that's covered in ghostly white snow.
Look at all the happy faces. Season's greetings, everyone. It's Christmas time. Welcome to my Christmas What's your gift? Boogie knows. Are you feeling a treat? All right. Isn't this fun? I can't wait to see what